Good morning, all of you. So today is the GK class. So we are going to proceed with our studies. Hope you all are studying. And today the chapter will be Something Odds. Is page 23. So far whatever I am teaching, please put tick on your content so you will understand so far which chapters has been completed, students. Okay. So overall it is completed, then I'll let you know the exact syllabus because till now I'm proceeding with the chapters. So later on I'll let you know up to where. So need not worry, in timing before 20 days I'll give you the syllabus of the exam. No need to worry, but you'll keep studying by that time as I'm doing it. I'll be providing your worksheet also. So need not worry. And for GK, as you know, whatever marks it will be total, out of that 10 marks will be unseen. Okay, that will be your IQ outside. Okay, so let us do page 23 today. Something odds. Circle the odd one in each set, this page. Circle the odd one in each set. Number 1. There are 4 names given. Nile, Amazon, Japan, Volga. So 4 names are there, out of which is the odd one we got to take out. Now see, Nile is the name of a river. Amazon is the name of a river. Japan is name of the river? No. It's the name of a country. Volga is also name of a river. So, please circle the word Japan. Circle the word Japan. That's an odd one. Number 2. Tripoli, Washington, Havana. These are all countries' name. Yes. Lahore. So these are all country names, but Lahore is a city which is in Pakistan and it's a capital of Punjab province. So Lahore, you have to make it odd. That is not a country name. Okay, do it circle, make a circle. Number 3. Now these are the name of birds, out of which is the odd one we got to find out. Which bird is different from this group? Sparrow, we see sparrow, skip chirping, goes eating grains and all these things. Yes, insects, all these. Eagle, falcon, vulture. Now what is the difference between this? This eagle, falcon, vulture, these are the big birds which always fly to catch their prey. Whereas sparrow is a small bird which do not go flying to for its prey. So sparrow will be the odd one. Circle the sparrow. Got it? Now 4. Snake, chameleon, crocodile, frog. So snake, chameleon, crocodile, these are all in reptile groups, whereas frog is an amphibian. Frog is not a reptile. We find that snake, chameleon and crocodile, they belong to reptile groups, whereas frog belongs to amphibian group. So please make a circle. Please circle the frog. That is an odd one. Is clear to you? Number 5. Grasshopper, spider, mosquito, butterfly. So grasshopper, mosquito, butterfly, these are all, you can say, insects. But by spider we think insects, but no, it is not an insect. Can you say why? Because spider has got no antenna, no wings. So it is different from the others. So we find that this belongs to other species. So spider is an odd one. Put a circle over there. Number 5, spider is odd. Number 6, S. Radhakrishnan, Pranab Mukherjee, Manmohan Singh, K.K. Narayan. So we got to, from here we will find that majority of them are president. But who is not a president, we got to find out. Actually, Radhakrishnan was president, Pranab Mukherjee was president. Manmohan Singh was not a president, he was a prime minister. K.R. Narayan, he was also a president. So, student, please circle Manmohan Singh. That is odd. Number 7, Afghanistan, Switzerland, Paraguay, Somalia. So Afghanistan, Switzerland, Paraguay, these are all landlocked country, means they are encircled in a land. But Somalia is what? Somalia is not a landlocked country. So put a circle over there. Odd one is Somalia. Number 7, Somalia. Number 8, we got to find out by the date 2016, 1992, 1999, 2004. So among this we have to find out which years are leap year and which is not a leap year. So 2016, if you divide by 4, you get even number. 1992, you divide by 4, you get even number. But 1999, if you divide by 4, you get an odd number. And 2004, you divide by 4, you get also even number. So 1994 is not a leap year. Please circle it. 1999, circle it. It's a leap, not a leap year. Now, here are number 9. Here all animals name. From here we to find out which belong to same family. Now, lion, tiger, rhinoceros, leopard. Leopard, tiger and lion, they belongs to same family. They belong to cat family. Lion, tiger and leopard belongs to cat family. But rhinoceros doesn't belong to cat family. So you put a circle on rhinoceros. Number 9, answer is rhinoceros. Circle it. Number 10, dodo, saber-toothed tiger, woolly mammoth, giraffe. So among these we find giraffe is very common. We can see giraffe still now, but dodo, saber-toothed tiger and woolly mammoth is totally, we can say more or less it's an extinct animal. We hardly see them now. They are totally extinct. So among this we find giraffe, which we can see still and it exists. So odd will be the giraffe. So number 10 answer is giraffe. Okay, circle it. Number 11, Sania Mirza, Virat Kohli, Hardik Pandey, Mithali Raj. Now see, Sania Mirza is a tennis player. Virat Kohli is a cricket player. Hirat Pandey also, they are all cricket players. So Mithali Raj is also a cricket player. So which one is odd? Sania Mirza, because this player is a tennis player. So put a circle over there. Eleven, answer will be Sania Mirza. Circle Sania Mirza. Now 12. Piano, flute, tabla, sitar. Among this we have to find out which is the Indian instruments. See, because flute, tabla and sitar mostly we find is played in India. So these are called the Indian instrument, musical, and piano is not an Indian instrument. It's an Western instrument. Number 13. These are the name of the games: ice hockey, archery, diving, golf. So these are the games, like we have to find out among this which is an odd one. Ice hockey, you find we play. It's an event in Summer Olympic. Ice hockey, which is not an event in the Summer Olympic, whereas archery, diving and golf is there. So ice hockey is odd one. So please, number 13, ice hockey, circle it up. Number 14, 3, 7, 15, 23. Among this we have to find out which is the prime number, which is not a prime number. Number 14, 3 is prime number. Number 7 is a prime number. Number 23 is a prime number. 15 is not a prime number. So please circle number 15. Number 14, Ravana, Bhima, Kunti and Duryodhana. All these mythological stories, these characters are from all mythological stories like Gita, Ramayana and Mahabharata. It's from Ramayana and Mahabharata character. So among this, which do not belong to, which is majority, like Ravana, Bhima, Kunti, Duryodhana. Among this we find Bhima, Kunti and Duryodhana. It's all Mahabharata characters. These characters are from Mahabharata, but Ravana is from Ramayana. So put a circle. Ravana is the odd one here. It's from Ramayana. Number 16. Piku, Sholay, PK, Black. These are all film names. Now, which is written hint is given Amitabh Bachchan. So, as you know, in Piku, Amitabh Bachchan was there. In Sholay, Amitabh Bachchan was there. But in PK, no, Amitabh Bachchan was not there. It was Amir Khan. And Black, Amitabh Bachchan was there. So, the odd one will be PK. Odd one will be PK. So today I have done this page 23. Hope you all understood. Please circle. I hope you all have circled it and it's clear to you. So today I have done this chapter. Next day we will proceed with further. Till then, bye. Stay safe and take care of yourselves.